I need coffee. My eyes can barely stay open, and my body feels like it's made of lead. Just one cup, that's all I ask for this morning. Good morning, it's going to be a fantastic day. Rise and shine, sleepyhead. The world is waiting for you. Be an amazing day. Let's go. Let's get moving. I'm ready to brew up some energy and excitement for you. Buddy, why do you have so much energy this early? I can barely function, and you're practically bouncing off the counter. More energy than me. It's not even fair. I haven't even had my first sip yet and you're already on fire. Caffeine is my middle name. I was built for mornings like this, to help you conquer the day ahead. I give up. Maybe I'll just let the coffee machine handle things today.